is part 2. Actually, it's not. I did film another video, but that was just for fun. I'm gonna do this one now. Okay. So first, I already told you that this is you do fold like this. Perfect. Then fold, open it. Then do this. Then do this. I'm going to wait for you. It's supposed to look like this. My brother did. He has exam.
दीदी ने अलग तरह का गलत बनाया है इसलिए
गलत नहीं बनाया. And then fold a piece of paper where the line like this. So I'm gonna do that off camera because it's gonna be hard for a big paper. Perfect. Now fold it like this. It should look like a meal. I'm going to wait for you. Inside there's two paper. It should look like this. Okay, now do that step that we did. Second step one more time. I'm gonna do this up. It's very hard to do. That step, of course, that I did. It should look like this, like this against. Now, in the between there's a split. And then now you fold it up. It should look like this. This shape. It was hexagon. Then it is half. Now, on one side, you do this. It should look like this, of course. Right? And go in the other side, and it should look like that. And then you line this side to that side. I'm gonna do this off camera because it's very hard. Perfect. Now fold the each. Now there should be like yeah, and look at that. A bigger aeroplane. It's sized like my head, and it can also be used as a fan. It actually works. Now let's see how it works. Ooh!
Yo,